You get your hat on, dude. You look like dad, bro. Yeah. Pound it. Nice. All right, so listen, here's the deal. We're gonna work on Riley's bike today. Does that sound good? We're gonna work on Riley's bike. Uncle Riley. Uncle Tubbs. Yeah. Bro, did you just wipe a freaking booger on me? Did you just wipe a booger on me?
No.
Yeah, you did. I saw you pull it out of your nose and wipe it on me.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Show me your finger. See? Your finger's clean. You know what that means? There's a booger on the back of my shirt. Are you guilty? The next one. Your turd of a birthday present.
Dude, it's gonna run.
Maybe it won't, dude.
Sell it.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know what's wrong with it.
My brother brought this terrible gift for me.
I'm trying to sell it without him knowing.
What's your angle of attack here?
Slow and steady wins the race. Bag of parts from the guy that you got it from that supposedly will fix the bike.
Nice.
Yeah. His Iron Man's chest piece.
Nice.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Bunch of gaskets, looks like, for, well, actually a lot of things. Head and cylinder gaskets. I hope he really didn't think that he needed those. Pit bike parts, that's vague.
Bro, is that a picture of a four-wheeler on the side?
Yep.
Sweet. So, orange, dude.
Yeah.
Nice.
Scooter ATV go-kart.
Bro, scooter. Oh God, what does that say? What do you think that says?
The inside of this thing?
Ooh. You definitely should know that this is approved. You're not doing any cosmetics, right?
Not at the moment. I want to get the bike running, see what it's like, make sure
As
it's as is. Figure out if there's anything else I need that way before I get into how it's gonna look. Because it doesn't matter how it looks if it doesn't run.
Right. Yes! Why are you screaming, bro?
Thumbs up, dude.
Yo, that's crazy. Hold on, huh? Oh.
Only a flesh wound.
Just a flesh wound.
Bro, I hope it's worth it. Jeepers, dude. first time and hopefully the last time you ever lay this bike down. All right, let's see. Power push. Oh shit.
Bro.
Oh! Frick yes! Bro, that is what I'm talking about. You just need to work out. Ah! I don't know if that's blood or oil.
I don't know why you're pushing so hard. Look, man. Look.
Bro,
Get out of here. You need to work out.
for these kinds of screws, you have to have all the pressure going,
Everything
down.
going down.
It can't be spinning until you
At
have enough
all.
pressure, dude.
Yeah.
I wish I would have learned
bracket.
that like 10 years ago before I stripped out thousands of screws, bro. That's crazy. Nice. Nice. So we'll be posting this magneto for sale on our website. Maybe that's what we should do. Dude, when we get enough people subscribed to our channel, we're gonna start selling people pieces of old bikes that we work on as memorabilia. We're not gonna have merch. We're just gonna have broken bike parts from your favorite video.
This is the Kickstarter that put a dent in my shin.
Ah!
Oh, dude, look at this.
Newbie mistake. Should have let me put a rag down or something maybe. Oh, juice.
Yeah, baby. I wonder if you hovered a magnet over it, if you would pick up any crap.
I mean, I got a magnet.
Let me see if it pulls the stream.
What?
What the heck just happened?
Bro, it's like polarized. Bro, what did you just do?
Pee pee.
You just peed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
you're not allowed to do that, man.
Yeah. Pee pee. Pee pee pee.
Bro, that's unbelievable.